coming to you from my own car. I have my own car. So obviously the first thing that I'm gonna do when I get my own car is go to the thrift store. This is the first place I'm gonna go. Then I'm gonna go to Krispy Kreme. Then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. You know, all very responsible things. And today I'm here at the Lansdowne Value Village. It's gonna close soon, so I wanted to come by and see what they have. It's on a weekend, it's crazy busy. I don't have high hopes, but I might as well make a stop while I'm here. We're back to thrifting, Letitia, but everything has a mask on, so yes, let's go. Can't believe I'm thrifting again. I've just forgotten how good it is. I think this is the first time I've ever thrifted on a weekend. It's just crazy busy. But also this is like the most popular Value Village in Toronto. Yeah, this Value Village was set to close down, or it is still set to close down for condos. I just wanted to come one last time because around the corner there's a Salvation Army, and this is where a couple years ago I got my Max Mara coat.
I'm shaking.
And I haven't been back since. So today I'm hoping to, I don't know, just reignite my thrifting game. I feel so out of it. Came in with no goals, no plans, like what a rookie. Suddenly this is my new favorite aisle. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I think an hour just passed and I just got to clothes. I don't even know if I have wind anymore. Goodbye. I don't think I'll ever come back. All right, on the way to Salvation Army now. Just around the block. Sunday closed. Oh, wow. Okay. Never, oh man, that's so cute. That little checkered plate. Never mind. Walking back to the car. It didn't happen. Okay, like I said, not much luck. Being in the city, I think a lot of things are gonna be picked over. I don't love thrifting in the city, but this is a very famous Value Village, and because it's gonna close down soon, I just wanted to give it one last hurrah! So, the things that I got, actually pretty practical. A lot of DIY stuff. These candle rests, big candle rests, similar to the salt and pepper mill that I upcycled before. And then in the kitchen, I'm gonna upcycle this wooden tray because my salt and pepper shakers need a tray for holding. So I'll upcycle that as well. And that was it. Hello! Oh my god, we're both in tan. This is Katrina. If you guys know her, she is the owner of Viridi, and we became internet buddies.
Internet friends!
Yeah, this is like the second time we've met in person, and we decided to do a thrift date. I forgot about you guys.
So awkward.
It's like a full clothing store in here. This is actually a really good price. Looks normal. This Lululemon sweater. But then you see there's leg holes. Why are there leg holes? Oh, this is a dangerous. This is broken though. And what is it? $12? Ugh. It's too bad. It's not bad, but I can see why they donated it. Like, you sit down, you get one of these little things. Ooh, adjustable straps. No pockets. It's no deal. Cute, cute. And then I'm guessing they shrunk. I love this. Cotton and wool. I could wear it as a dress. I mean, it is a dress. So I could also wear it open. Yeah. This one's $16, so that's really good. Yeah, I was gonna see if I could wear this as a cardigan. Only to find out they're not real buttons. A pet peeve of mine. That's so annoying. This one's definitely a no. Yeah, I liked the place, but it's not as designer. I think you have to really sift through to get some designer. Everything is pretty much the same price, whether it's a Shein thing or a designer or closer to designer thing, which I'm surprised.
Like majority of stuff in there is Shein, Zara, H&M.
I think they price more on the trend, not on the brand
And
or quality.
I bring so many bags here, and they'll like reject half of it, but then I'll bring the stuff that they reject to a different location, and then they take half of it.
Yes. Okay, Value Village. A huge Value Village. I used to see this Value Village off the highway, and every time we drive by it, I'm like, I must go there. And now we are going to there. This is where you definitely need a cart. Different types of thrift stores for different types of people, and the moment I walked into a Value Village, I feel way more comfortable. This is way more my scene, just sifting through tons and tons of things like this. Oh, the people. Oh my gosh, so cute. That's okay. Oh man, I should have brought my light fixture to donate. This one's literally my light fixture. That's literally the same light fixture. I'm so glad that I found this, because when I was thrifting 10 years ago, you remember the American Apparel disco pants? I donated it so soon, but I wanted these so badly, and then I found them at the thrift store like 10 years ago, and I was so excited. I remember that video. Oh my god, guess what I found? American Apparel disco pants. American Apparel disco pants for $8. Actually, American Apparel, I don't know who decided to donate these pants. So, there's no fitting rooms. Look what I found. How crazy is this? I think I'm into it. It's like a baked potato. Baked burritos. We should get burritos. That is all. See you in the next thrift video. Bye.